Okay, Mad Max Randy outside doing a little side job. Okay, today what we're doing is a Z71 off-road Chevy pickup truck. Basically a rusty-ass Chevy. I hate Chevys. They're always rust. Rust is a must with Chevy. Okay, so all you Chevy guys don't get pissed off at me, but I don't care. They're a rusty piece of shit. So, here we go. Buddy of mine needs a little rust repair here. So what I've done is I've already cut this piece out, and I've already made my custom piece for it. I'm gonna weld it in. Beep boop, beep boo. Oh, because Mad Max knows what he's doing. Been doing it for a long time. So anyway, I'm gonna weld this in and weld the bottom. See how it's perforated? You just weld another piece across there and make it double thick, make it super strong. That's how you do that. So anyway, I'm going to do that, and anyway, I'm doing this. But this is what it looked like over here before we even started, like 15 minutes ago, because it only takes me like 15-20 minutes to do this, because I know what I'm doing. There you go. That's what it looked like. See that? It looks like crap. They don't like it. So I'm cutting some metal, got the welder out. I'll probably get all the metal work done today, get it all welded in. Then I'll go inside, watch some TV and stuff. Then tomorrow I'll come out, finish it out with putty and stuff, give it a little 2K primer, and then I think all I gotta wait is like an hour or so with 2K primer. If not, maybe I'll shoot epoxy. You don't have to wait 30 minutes. Maybe I'll give him epoxy. I like Mike, so maybe I'll use my expensive 2K epoxy on the primer, and then I can just go ahead and shoot it. I got some white and some clear. We're just going to shoot it. It's going to look beautiful. So you saw what it looked like. Let's take one more look. So you goofballs don't really. That's what it looks like. Okay. This is what we're doing over here. Okay. So my next video, you'll see it all back together. Maybe I'll shoot one after I get the body work done and it's in primer or something. Or maybe I'll shoot it when I get the welding done. I don't know. I don't know. Mad Max never knows what he's doing. All Mad Max knows is that he's getting old. Okay. Mad Max out.